everyone, I'm just going to show you how to add stickers to Goodnotes. So, opening Goodnotes, I've already got my Positive Neon sticker planner and sticker book open. So you can, if you want to, some of us are more visual, so maybe you want to look through all of your stickers in your sticker book and decide what you're going to use as a sticker. And if you want to use your sticker book that way, then all you have to do is use the lasso tool here and select the sticker that you choose. It's really hot right now, so let's choose drink more water. And then you just lasso it like so. Click in the middle of your lasso, cut, copy, delete, resize, take screenshot, add element. So for now, we're going to copy. And then here's a page I was on earlier. Press your pen down and then zoom or paste will come up and then you boop, put in your sticker. Okay, that's one way of adding stickers. It's a bit slow because obviously you have to look through the whole sticker book to decide what sticker you want, but maybe you prefer that kind of way. There is another way, if I can just, there we go. There's another way to do it. So here is the elements tool, that star there, okay? So if we click on that, we're going to add a new element folder here. I've already got one open here with a few, but that's for the sake of this video. So you can call it whatever you want, my stickers. Okay, and then instead of just going import from your stickers and slowly adding everything this way, where you have to add one by one, like so, we are going to do a clever workaround. So go to your files, which mine is down here. Open your files and find your Positive Neon Planner files, and in it you're going to find your elements and stickers folder, and then click on your stickers, and then we're going to select all of our stickers here, and then we're going to click share at the bottom here, save 22 images. Okay, now we're going to do that again with everything that we want to add. So for the sake of the video, we're going to add everything. Okay, then click share at the bottom there, save 19 images. Okay, hearts and stars, select, oops. Now of course you could add all of these into separate files. It depends on how you like to be organized. I like things in sections, so oopsies. So I very may well add, if this was me, I would probably add them all to separate element folders. I hope that makes sense. Okay, and you also have elements in here, which are like sticky notes and your page templates for stickers for blank pages. I'm going to click share, save 19 images. Okay. So now we're going to go back to Goodnotes and we're going to click again on the elements here, my stickers, to edit any of your sticker book folders. See them all down the bottom here. To edit any of these, you just click on the top there. And now we're going to click add photos instead of import from. We're going to click add photos. There we go. And now we can just select all of them.
And then we're just going to click add in the top right hand corner.
This might take a little while because there's a lot of them. Okay, that was pretty quick. And there they all are. Okay, just check we've got everything in there. I think so. Okay, we're going to click done. You can just add your stickers in wherever you want. You can add a massive to-do there. By adding the stickers into Elements, you're going to save the quality of the sticker. That's why this is the preferred method. I also really like that while you're in the Elements mode, these are treated as elements, so you can click on them like so, resize them, and close them, delete them very easily. Okay, there we go. Add your stickers to your heart's content. What's the date today? It's the 16th. Okay. I don't know why I'm yelling, I'm excited. Okay everyone, I hope that this has been nice and clear and it's going to help you get started with your planner stickers.